That never makes a person happy.
Experience the timeless tale of the Waltons. Mondays to Fridays, only on Hits.
Try it, Dad. No, I'm afraid with three of us doing it, it might look stupid.
Sometimes we role play. I think he's just saying what my husband might say.
I just want to die!
You've got nothing on me, so you took her life. And now you have nothing.